Hello everyone, welcome back to Hopetrader Academy. Today we will be doing weekly analysis and we'll be preparing for next week. As we saw a very good bearish week, so what will be our next week predictions? Will it be more bearish or will it be bullish or sideways? So all these things we will be learning today. And we have also started live trading in YouTube itself. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will be getting notification and click on the notification bell so that you will be getting the notification whenever we start the live trading. So let's jump on to the analysis. First we will be doing Nifty analysis, weekly time frame. Let me remove all the drawings. Yes, as you can see, it's a very bearish candle. Okay, so let us mark the highest resistance, that is all-time high, and highest support. One day. See how many days it took to go up. Okay, and now just 3 days it has given very bad move. So mark the highest resistance here as well. Very strongest resistance for Nifty will be 20,000, and highest support, the nearest support is going to be this. Okay, 4 hours time frame. Look for any patterns. You're finding no patterns as of now. Somewhere around 19,650 is the support for Nifty. 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame we can get this as next support, 19,500, and nearest resistance can be this one. So as you can see in Nifty chart, if it breaks the high of 19,795, that is 19,800, if it breaks, then we can expect 20,000. Okay, in that also we can expect two targets. The first one is going to be 19,900 and the second will be 20,000. So this on the upside for the next week. If it breaks the low, okay, with the retest, the first target would be 19,500. Along with that, with the retest, I'll be expecting 19,250. This is my weekly targets and weekly analysis for Nifty. So let us check for tomorrow now. Yes, see here Nifty is being created a zone. Okay, consider this as no trade zone also. Okay, here you should not take any of the trades. This is no trade zone. Above this, if any Nifty tries to break out above this, okay, with the retest, you guys can expect 19,900 for tomorrow. If not, if it breaks downside, you can expect 19,500. This is very simple. So let me explain in 3 ways: gap up, gap down, and flat opening. If it is a gap up opening, okay, let it go up, the chances are it can get rejected over here. If it reject, create a short position till here, till closing you guys can create. Okay, this is a small target. If not, if it gives a breakout after gap up, if it gives a breakout with a retest, expect this targets. 19,900 targets you can expect. This is gap up opening scenario. If it is a gap down opening, let it go up near the opening or the low, it can get rejected, create a short position, then you guys can expect 19,500. Okay, if not, if it opens gap down, if it goes up, get rejected, here it might take a support at 19,650, and then again slowly it can go till the resistance. So these are the plans for Nifty for tomorrow: gap up and gap down. Flat opening also, you can have a no trade zone in this area. Wait for this area to give a break. Above this you can take the trade. Along with here you should not take any of the trades. Okay, so this is very important zones. So If you have any doubts, you guys can comment below in Nifty analysis. I'll be very happy to help you out. Any doubts in the entire video, you guys can ask me. I'll be very happy to help you out. So this is Nifty analysis. Gap up, gap down, flat opening, and if it gap up, breakout, what happens? If it rejects, what should we take the scenario? Gap down, if it goes up continuously, what should we do? And if it gives a breakdown on downside, what should we do? Everything I have told. The same way we will do it for Bank Nifty. Weekly time frame. I'm gonna remove all the drawings. You can see up move, but top one, neckline, top two. This is weekly time frame. If it gives a break over here easily, we can expect till here, but it's a tough situation also. So let's see. Highest resistance, highest support, 1 day time frame, perfect. Okay, no need of this. Here also you should mark the nearest support and resistance. Okay, not bad. See all the openings, 3 days openings. Okay, let me zoom in. 1, 2, 3. All these are very important things. Opening and closing of a candle is very important. So that becomes our nearest support and resistance. If it opens gap up, it is a support. If it opens gap down, it's a resistance, very strong resistance. So 4 hours time frame. And also if you check, we have one trend line. Okay, let us not use that. We are going to consider something else now. This can also be used, not an issue. And then after that, again nearest support. This is the nearest support, and again nearest resistance. You can see this is one of the nearest resistance, but over here you can consider this. 1 hour time frame, we will get clear idea now which side the market will move. Okay, perfect. Mark the targets. That's it, no more. See, first I'm going to tell you what will happen weekly. Okay, on the upside, if you consider on the Nifty, it is possible, but on the Bank Nifty it is very bearish compared to Nifty. So if it gives a breakout, this thing, and next target this, not more than this. Very difficult. 45,600 is very difficult to break. Okay, and on the downside, if it breaks this level, which is 44,350 level, you can expect some down move until 43,800. Till here you guys can expect. Okay, weekly I have told. Let me tell you intraday for tomorrow, 15 minutes time frame. Yes, if it breaks with a small retest, expect 44,400. Okay, for intraday. And if it breaks this, and this will be your no trade zone. Okay, this is your no trade zone. And if it breaks the above level with a small retest, again expect 44,000, 45,000, around 44,950 to 45,000 you guys can expect. So here also, if it is a gap up opening, okay, it can break and then it can go up. Okay, if not, if it gets rejected, gap up. If it gets rejected over here, you guys can aim till 44,600. This can be the scenario. Gap up I have told you. Now we will be going for gap down. If it is a gap down opening, it can take a reversal over in this situation, and then we can have this 44,400. If not, if it is a gap down opening, breaks this, you can expect this. So flat opening, wait for this no trade zone to break out. If not, you continue with this gap up and gap down, whatever I have told you guys. Now moving on to Fin-Nifty. Weekly time frame, very bearish. Okay, Nifty is slightly bearish if you consider two, Bank-Nifty and Fin-Nifty. Highest resistance and supports I have drawn. One day time frame, perfect. 4 hours time frame. Very good. And after this, 1 hour time frame. Perfect. Yes, you can see over here it is forming something like this. It has given a breakout but failed. It has came down, so it has taken support near this trend line. We'll mark that low as well, support area, and we'll mark next targets. Perfect. Now for next week, what it can happen, only if it breaks 19,900, then only you guys can expect 20,000. And after, if it breaks that, then you can expect 21,000, 20,100 and 20,275. This much you guys can expect in the market for next week on the upside. If not, if it breaks this low, then easily you guys can expect 19,550 and 19,400. Okay, weekly I have told. Let me tell you for intraday, 15 minutes. Only this zone is very important. Okay, this will be your no trade zone. Okay, and apart from this, if it gives a breakout on upside with a retest, expect 19,920. With the retest again, expect 20,000. Okay, not more than 20,000 for intraday. And if it gives a break on downside with a retest, expect 19,550. Okay, 19,550 is the level. So here also I'll explain three situations: gap up and gap down. Gap up opening, it can get rejected over here, then aim for this target. Okay, 19,700. If not, if it gives a breakout, then aim for 19,900. Gap up I have told, gap down. If it opens gap down, it can get rejected near the low or near the closing. Okay, then expect this target. If not, if it continues to go up like this, then aim for 19,800. So keep your target small unless and until it gives a breakout from this zone. Okay, from this zone, until and unless it gives a breakout, keep your target small. And if it gives a breakout, and then you guys can expect for some move and go with very good quantities also, with maintaining proper risk management. Okay, this is about Nifty analysis. Weekly analysis we have done, multiple time frame analysis, Bank-Nifty also done, Fin-Nifty is also done. So along with this, I have explained you what all we have to consider. Along with that, you need to also consider, while you are trading in Nifty, you need to consider Reliance, how it is going on, and HDFC Bank, high weightage stocks. And while consider in Bank-Nifty, if you consider Bank-Nifty, you need to consider all the banks. The most important bank, that will be HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank and SBI. These things you have to consider how they are, how they might go. And you guys can see SBI, Kotak, Axis were positive and ICICI and HDFC were negative. So that is why we saw a sideways market now. Okay, but other than this, when they are all are negative, you must expect some near, if it goes near resistance, then you can easily short. If all are positive, it comes near support, you can easily buy. So this should be your plan for Monday and next week, considering everything. So in commodities, if you check, So silver and gold are positive. That means our market is about to go down. When our markets are going down, what people do is they invest in gold and silver. When our market is going up, they remove their investment and put it in our market. So this is why vice versa. And crude oil is also negative. So, and crude oil prices should rise to 8,000. So because of the shortage of the supply. So that is why not that much of an importance given to the crude oil as of now. And then looking into US markets, negative. Okay, it has closed negative and it will be negative for us. And global markets, yes, almost all are negative. Our indices are also negative apart from PSU bank and auto sectors. PSU is positive due to some news, and India Wix everything is good. And my suggestion for you guys is you better do some research on your own before taking any of the trades in Nifty, Bank-Nifty and Fin-Nifty. Check out their stocks, which are high weightage stocks. So let me summarize now. We have completed Bank-Nifty multiple time frame analysis, and I have given you the levels for next week along with intraday levels, what should be done when gap up, gap down and flat openings. I have the same I have given for Nifty 50 and Fin-Nifty as well. Along with that, I have told you which all stocks you should consider while taking a trade in these indices. So make sure you're going to follow all those things. Along with this, you need to do a risk management for your trades. That is very important. When you follow a risk management, you will be not in fear of losing money because you know how much you will be losing and you won't fear anything about that. So that's it in this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will be doing live trading also, which will be very helpful. I'll be giving a live trading for links in the Telegram, Instagram and everywhere. And if you can check in my YouTube channel, you guys can find the previous day, that is Friday, I have did one live trading. Okay, here 22nd September 2023 Friday I have given the trade also, which got our first target hit and we made good profits in live. I'll be trading live with you guys. So join this, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll meet you in the live tomorrow. Thank you guys, have a great day. We'll meet tomorrow.